Today we're going to be talking about our solar system and how the solar system was created and what's in the solar system. So the sun is the largest object in the solar system and everything rotates around it, like planets, comets, and asteroids. But a long time ago, people said Earth was in the center and everything rotates around it. But then Copernicus did a theory and said, no, actually, the sun is in the middle, everything rotates around it. No one believed his theory, and then Galileo believed Copernicus' theory and said that sun was in the middle and everything rotates around sun, but no one believed him, and then slowly but slowly they started to believe their theories. As for Galileo, we know that the sun is in the middle of our solar system. Now we're going to be putting all the planets. We're going to put all the rocky planets and the gassy planets. So let's first start with the rocky planets. So the rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And then we're going to be putting the asteroid belt. Okay, so now we put the asteroid belt. Let's now put the gassy planets. So we're gonna put Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So we put everything that's in the solar system. So the four planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called the outer planets. Asteroid separates the rocky planets and the gassy planets. So the planets that are close to the sun take less time to orbit around the sun, and then the planets that are farther they take more time to rotate around the sun. For example, Neptune takes 165 years to orbit around sun. So the sun is a very huge object, so it has more gravity. Even a planet has its own gravity, but the sun has more gravity and is making a planet's orbit around it. The sun is so big, it's making a planet's orbit around it. So in the solar system, we have the Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is after Neptune, and in the last video we talked about comets. So the comets also orbit around the sun, and therefore the tail when they come close to the sun. We also have another thing orbiting around the sun. At earlier I said asteroids rotate around the sun. So this is the asteroids that rotate around the sun. And asteroids lie in the asteroid belt. So 4.6 billion years ago, there was only dust and gas in this cloud, and there was no solar system, there was nothing in there. And then there was this something called a supernova star, and it disturbed that gas and made it have gravity. And when it had gravity, it had heat and light, formed into a super hot ball, and it started spinning very fast. And then a sun was formed, and our solar system was formed. 99% of the gas and dust was mainly for the sun, and the other 1% of gas and dust was for the planets. So a cloud with dust and gas, then when supernova made it have more gravity, and it started to go into each other, and this is when the heat and light began, and this is when it was spinning really fast. And then this one is when the sun was forming, and then other planets formed, and then this is how our solar system looks like. The sun formed in 99% of gas and dust, and with other 1% of gas and dust, our planet was formed. This is how sun was created and all the planets were created. Now let's do a demo of how our sun was formed. So the pepper is gonna be the dust and the water is gonna be the gas. Let's put the pepper in. Okay, so we put our pepper, so that'll be our gas. So the spoon is gonna be our supernova sun. And I'm causing a disturbance in the cloud, so I'll spin on that round very fast. So now it's spinning really, really fast, and look, if you look at around here, our sun, if you look at that bulb, like that bulb thingy right there, you see our sun, like our sun is forming with the 99% of dust and gas. And the remaining 1% is gonna be the planet. See, so you see that thing right over there? Yeah, that's gonna be our sun trying to form. This is how our solar system was created.